Ready? One, two, three, start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I am very grateful to the honorable members who have made their observations on the budget while taking the opportunity of making a few observations on it. Nobody can claim that this is a budget where there is no deficiency, that this is an embodiment of perfection, and it has been possible for us to do whatever is needed for the betterment of the economic situation in the country. At the same time, it has been very correctly pointed out that in a situation like ours, the finance minister had little option, or rather very little space for accommodation to provide a budget, on the one hand keeping his eyes on the need of growth, and on the other to see that the peculiar economic situation which has been created as a result of constant demand does not deteriorate further. In view of that, it has been admitted by almost all the speakers, including the distinguished leaders of the opposition, that an increase of the order of 31% in the plan outlay would go a long way and would create an investment climate which would ultimately be beneficial for the country. Now, while making these observations, he expressed his doubt whether the unbridged gap on the revenue side would create further instability factor on the price front. Keeping in view the situation as it is today, and the economic disciplines and various measures which we have resorted to, perhaps we can modestly claim, unless certain external factors come into the picture, it would be possible for us to maintain the price stability as it is today, and at the same time, as it has been expressed by the finance minister in his speech, by reducing the taxes both on direct and indirect side, the total revenues of the country would not be reduced. Para, it is no use suggesting that the budget is for the money bag, and that the budget is full of concessions for monopoly houses. The budget is an instrument through which the government tries to control and regulate the economy of the country for the current year, and in this year's budget also that exercise has been made, nothing more, nothing less. Therefore, to categorize it either as a budget of money bag or a budget for monopoly houses is perhaps incorrect. In fact, it reduces the taxes for various categories